Welcome to Unique to You Fitness. Today I'm going to show you an ab routine that I do every week. This ab routine is going to focus on your entire abs as well as your obliques. One exercise will use a weight, but if you don't have any weights, you can do the exercise with body weight only. Be sure to do 2 to 3 rounds. Side plank lift is one of my favorite exercises to do to work my core. As you can see, you're going up and down. You can look at my abs and see them working. For this exercise, I like to do 10 on each side. This exercise can be done with or without weights. If you're not using weights, you're doing the same movement, taking your hands to your knees. Toe taps is also another great exercise to work those obliques. This last exercise is focusing on your lower abs as well as your obliques. Be sure to switch sides and do the other side as well. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.